Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can add story points as a separate field to your boards, lists, and Kanbans on Jira. So let us dive right into it. Alright guys, so in the first step, head over to Jira and access the team project or project you would like to edit. So let me go with this one here for demonstration purposes. So for this method, guys, you will need to access your project settings. To make this happen, simply click into these three dots next to your project name or here on the left panel. That's up to you. So let me click here. And after that, click into project settings. Inside your project settings, navigate to fields here on the left panel. And in the next step, guys, you will need to add a story points as a separate field to that list of fields here. To do that, click into add field in the top right corner. And from that menu here to the right, select story points. Scroll down if you don't see them. There they are at the bottom of that list or almost at the bottom. Select them here by clicking into that checkbox. And after that, click into add one field. That is going to add story points as a separate field or available field to your project. So leave your project settings, close them, and after that, switch from the board view, let's say, to the list view of your project here at the top. And last but not least, guys, simply add story points as a new field. To do that, click onto that plus icon or button at the very right end of your list of tasks or items, work items, and select story point estimate as a separate new field, just like that. And there you go. Now you can click into these fields here and, for example, adjust the story point for the given task or work item. And that's it. That's how you do it, guys. You may also use this arrow up and arrow down icon to adjust the story point. That's how it works, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll catch you later.